life's been crazy lately.
आँखों में सपने, सपनों में तू है, तुझ में ही दुनिया मेरी. मांगू मैं.
Long time no see. Well, I've been quite occupied with a lot of things that are happening on the other channel. If you guys follow me on Shayara, you guys would know that I have been releasing my own songs, my originals. I've released about 4 songs, so all the videos, the behind the scenes, the lyric videos, all of that, I'll give you a link in the description in case you want to check it out. So उन सब के बीच में इस channel के लिए I didn't get a lot of time, and whatever content I had shot, I could not edit it also. So I might post it in the future maybe. But आज कुछ और हो रहा है. Today I am going to some mystery place that I'm sure you guys would have read in the title. But my sister and my jeejs, they live there, and yeah, it's gonna be super exciting. I'm going all by myself, and I'll give you the details in a bit.
Say what I want and I get it, I'ma get it, say what I want and I get it, say what I want and I get it.
May I have your attention, please? Train number 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 5.
तेरे बिना कहीं न रहना चाहती.
Okay, we are out here. Here's the cabin. A little tiny tour. I spreaded my sheets. My stuff is all here and a little नीचे. और अभी तक कोई नहीं है. I think 2 बजे के आसपास या 1 o'clock के आसपास I think 2 people will come, and that's it. The whole cabin is with me. I'm gonna relax for a bit because it's been a hectic day and my mind is exhausted. But otherwise, here it is. I'll show you the outside and I'll show you the inside, and we'll have fun.
I'ma say what I want and I get it, say what I want and I get it, say what I want and I get it, I'ma get it, say what I want and I get it, say what I want and I get it, say what I want and I get it, I'ma get it.
मेरी बगल वाले cabin में there is a pug, and I really want to go and meet the pug, the tiny little dog. Come, let's see if they're still there. Hello. Do you have a dog?
Yes.
Can I please meet him?
Yes, he's sleeping. Joy, see, somebody has come.
Hello.
You just got up from sleep, no?
Yeah.
But don't worry.
It's okay. It's
तो
okay.
डरा दिया बच्चे.
It's okay.
हाँ,
It's
बस.
okay. Come,
अच्छा.
easy. Come on. Come on.
No.
You can sniff, no? It's okay. Don't bite. Don't bite,
आगे
okay?
बैठो.
Hello. He's
Aw.
so cute.
His name
What's
is
his
Joy.
name? Joy.
Joy.
Hi, Joy. Hello.
बस.
Woof. इतनी प्यारी आवाज है इसकी. So cute.
थोड़ा
Hello.
नींद में है ना.
हाँ, just I disturbed him, I think.
No. We want him to get up occasionally in between.
Right. आप लोग कहाँ से बैठे हैं?
हम जयपुर से बैठे
जयपुर
हैं.
से. अच्छा, okay. And where you going?
We're going to Bangalore.
Oh, same. We're going to Bangalore too. Hello, Joy. But he's so cute. Look at his face. Joy.
He's quite photogenic.
Ah,
He's
he
very good
definitely
poses for
is.
photographs.
He definitely is. He's so cute. I feel so much better now. So, उनका मुझे पता चला कि uncle and auntie, they have served in the armed forces as well. My father also served in the armed forces. So we connected on that for like, I think the past 45 minutes. We बैठ के बातें करी. They were also posted in Bhopal. My father was also posted in Bhopal once. We are still in Bhopal. We are living in Bhopal right now. There were a lot of similarities there, and we could connect on a lot of things. And plus, music का उनको भी काफी शौक है, so we were connecting. So yeah, that happened. And then मैंने Joy को bye bye करा और मैं आ गई अपने cabin में. I'm just gonna like lie down for a bit because I'm super tired. काफी देर से all these things are happening and I need like that break once in a while. So I'm gonna lie down for a bit and then I'm gonna have dinner. Let's see dinner का क्या plan होता है because मेरे पास थोड़ा सा dinner बचा हुआ है. यार lighting कहाँ से है यार? Lighting is so bad. Okay, यहाँ पे सही है. नहीं hold. Deal with it, ऐसी lighting है. So dinner का I'll let you know what I'm planning to eat in a few seconds. मेरे time पे 2 minutes, आपके time पे 2 seconds.
मांगू मैं मन्नत की तू रहे तू हमेशा ही सही.
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी रेयर कैमरा से और अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था कि क्या शूट हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. एंड देन मैंने पूरा लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 मिनट मैंने सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन करी एंड देन आई सॉ कि वो रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुई. सो इसीलिए इस बार मैं फ्रंट कैमरा से बना रही हूँ. सो द क्वालिटी इज़ अ लिटिल मेस्ड अप, देन एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. बट वी आर हियर फॉर द डिनर. अब ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच तो मम्मा ने मुझे बना के दिया था. इवन आई हैव सम ऑफ दैट लेफ्ट राइट नाउ, बट आई वांटेड टू हैव समथिंग गरम. सो दे हैड छोले, roti, rice and dal fry, I think, and I love dal fry and I love chole, all of that. So here's the dinner. Let me show you. So this is how they give you the dinner, like this. Oh god, so much oil, man. What in the world? तो मुझे प्लास्टिक के स्पून से खाने में बहुत आफत आती है. आई थिंक इट इज़ सो अनकम्फर्टेबल एंड इट इज़ नॉट लाइक आई मीन यू कांट गेट एनीथिंग इन द स्पून, तो वो स्क्रम्पचस भी नहीं बन पाता. इफ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. सो लेट मी जस्ट डू द टेस्ट टेस्ट फॉर यू. हियर्स द चपाती. विल टेक वन बाइट. अभी तक सॉफ्ट लग रही है. डिप इट इन द छोला. थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी है क्योंकि मैं मिर्ची कम खाती हूँ, मुझे हर चीज़ स्पाइसी लगती है. बट लाइक द चने, द छोला, द नॉट बॉइल्ड प्रॉपर्ली. टेस्ट सही है बट लाइक ग्रेवी इज़ वेरी लिक्विड. लाइक मुझे आदत है मम्मी के हाथ के छोले की. मम्मी मेक्स सच यम्मी छोले. इसमें लाइक द ग्रेवी इज़ परफेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ अ परफेक्ट कंसिस्टेंसी एंड द प्याज एंड टमाटर या लाइक ब्लेंडेड प्रॉपर्ली. इसमें वो पानी वाले मम्मी मेड दिस पूरीज. So that's puri and chola. Perfect combination. मेरे घर पे my father, he actually likes puri. He likes chole with parathe. Have you ever had chole with parathe? It tastes nice, but like, what do you prefer? Puri with chola or parathe with chola? And Mama made some puri and sabzi for me. Aloo pyaz tomato ki bhujia, which is my favorite thing to eat in the when we travel via a train. Puri sabzi, and then there is this thepla. Mama makes really nice thepla. मुझको गरम खाना था. गरम खाना अच्छा लगेगा बट ठंडा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, तो थोड़े होते हैं. सो अगर खाने की बात करें तो इसके साथ कोई खाना नहीं है. द पैंट्री, देयर इज अ पैंट्री इन द ट्रेन, सो दे कम, दे कीप लाइक hollering at you कि veg cutlet, dhokla, chai, coffee and all these things. So if you want, you can like get them to you can buy it from them. But like मेरे टिकट के साथ कुछ खाने का नहीं था. So and plus मुझे ना बाहर का खाना नहीं था basically. These days I don't prefer eating बाहर का खाना. So मैंने घर से मम्मा से ज़्यादा पूरी सब्जी सब बनवा के मैं लेके आई थी. I brought Sprite and fruity and chips and all these things for my munchie. But अभी गरम गरम खाने के चक्कर में मैंने ये लिया and it was ये 100 रुपये की प्लेट थी वैसे तो. बट यार 100 रुपये में भी अच्छा खासा खाना आ जाता है यार. ये 100 रुपये बर्बाद हो गए. मेरे को याद है बचपन में जब जाते थे ना तो कभी होता था कि सारी पूरी फैमिली सब जा रहे हैं पूरा खाना like starting from the soups and the breadsticks and the main course and then dessert just they had the alak sa dahi and jama hua that kind of thing. They used to serve such yummy dinner and ice cream. We always got extra ice cream. My dad had this charm. He would talk to the attendants and वो extra ice cream हमें दे देते थे. And we were sweet little kids तो अभी भी मजा आता है. अभी मेरे को चीजें ऐसी all done. Life's been crazy lately. Oh, we keep pushing, we keep pushing. So I am done with dinner. I am done with pani and washing my hands. Bed सब कर लिया है arrange, blankets arrange कर लिए हैं. I'm gonna watch Netflix for a bit. I've downloaded a lot of movies and series के episodes. I've been watching Marlin. Have you watched it? Very fun. So वो मैंने download कर लिया है and YouTube पे भी I've downloaded a lot of videos. So I'm gonna watch them. I'm gonna listen to some voice notes, recordings, something of that sort, and that's it. Then I'll sleep probably because अभी क्या होगा ना? I have this cabin to myself for the next 2-3 hours, right? 12 बजे 1 बजे के आसपास there's going to be a halt for 10-15 minutes. I think Hyderabad में and वहाँ से 2 लोग आ रहे हैं. So after that I'll be a little conscious in front of them and I don't want them to feel awkward and I don't want to feel awkward. So I'll be shooting less but अभी सारा कुछ almost हो ही गया है. कल सुबह मेरे को हम लोग 1 बजे पहुँच जाएंगे and 1 बजे 1:30 बजे पहुँच जाएंगे and D and Jeeju are gonna come and pick me up from the station. That's it. Subah I'll see you. I might have to buy breakfast tomorrow because अब मेरा खाना पीना it's all over. I just have like this packet of chips left. Have you tried this flavor though? Check it out. Glazed Max peppery cheddar flavor. And pani की bottle है मेरे पास Sprite है and fruity है. बाकी everything is done. Oh no, I have two cookies left. मिलाने की. बाकी everything is done. So I'll buy some breakfast and I'll tell you how that tastes like. I mean, I hope it's much better than this because थोड़ा सा टॉपिक चाहिए. Let me show you the coupe, whatever it is. It's like this, so you get a separate room. Especially जब dogs होते हैं ना, like if there are 2 people who are carrying a dog, so they try to book this, and it is very hard to get this. And if you're a family and you're traveling with a dog, so of course you can take the other cabin which has 4 berths, right? But yeah, this is how it is. Very sweet. You can lock it from here. You can turn this, like you can shut this door and it will be a coupe. It will be a room.
Then he's a little bit relieved.
Joy.
Baba, take home.
Joy. Okay, I'm all packed. Everything is sorted. मैं जिससे मिली थी ना वो remember Joy and his family. So they also are from Forge fraternity. So we connected on that. We spoke about that. तो अभी uncle auntie and Joy they are all outside because उनके पास काफ़ी सारा luggage था खुद का भी and dog का of course they had to carry everything. And plus uncle is fond of golf like every other Fauji. So he had his golf sticks and all those like the whole kit, right? So उन्होंने पहले ही सारा सामान बाहर कर दिया एंड मैं अपना सामान बस रखा था मैंने, माई कीबोर्ड एंड माई सूटकेस एंड माई बैग, बट लाइक आई रियलाइज कि काफ़ी टाइम हो गया एंड बाहर बहुत गर्मी लग रही थी, तो आई थॉट आई जस्ट कम एंड say a goodbye to you guys. So alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm gonna be posting new videos soon because I'm going to Bangalore. I'm gonna vlog the whole experience. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.